Okay, well, good afternoon, everyone. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, I posted this announcement today. Okay, we're going to be starting to finalize the Google SketchUp model. Okay, um, if you if you're up to date by using the previous videos, instructional videos, you should be at this point today. Okay, we're going to be adding the wall backsplash to the addition, and I've posted this video here to help you do so. We're going to be adding floor and wall finishes to the addition as well, and this video should help you do that. And I'm going to post another one today that's going to help you deal with the external finishes, the roof material, siding, or brick, or whatever you're using. I will post that before this meeting is over. Okay? Any questions about that? And of course, today we're going to talk about how you're going to finish up the semester on Wednesday. Okay? Okay, so what I would like to do now, I made it possible for you to do so. Let's start with Angelina. Could you share your screen with me so I can see what progress you've made?
So right now, I am making the groups so I could add the backsplash.
Okay, that's cool. That's good.
Um,
So now your hood is against the wall, right?
yes.
So your backsplash is also going to extend behind that up into the ceiling, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So you understand that. All right. Okay, that's looking good. All right.
I did have one question.
Sure.
Was about this part.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't sure like how
Okay.
to find a panel.
No, here's what you're going to do. Okay, that is a surface. So let's go to the paint bucket, please. Okay, let me move this so I can see. Okay, good. Then I want you to choose the eyedropper, which and it's going to say sample paint. Good. And then I want you to choose a surface of one of your cabinets.
Okay. So I did that, and then
just paint that panel the same color. That's all you have to do.
oh, okay. And then when I do that here,
Same thing, right? Now, you added that surface there, that face there.
yes.
Okay, yes. So paint those surfaces as well to match your cabinetry.
Yeah. Also, I need to close that up. Okay, so I have to close that up.
Yeah. So you're gonna put like a little panel there as well, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I have the roof. I just have it hidden right now.
Sure. Absolutely. Yeah.
Do you want me to unhide it so you can take a look at it?
Sure. Okay. Now when you watch the video of the roofing, here's what you're not going to do. Okay. You see the roofing material is only applied to the roof surfaces. Okay. It's not applied to the fascia board.
So this part?
That's correct.
Okay.
Okay. So that's going to be a color. And once you look at the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right. And
Sure.
in addition, the columns on the front porch. Okay.
All right. Yeah, I did this after I watched the video last night of how you did the roof, so I didn't actually watch your
Okay.
newer videos.
Okay. All right. So the columns at the front. Okay. We are they're not going to be wrapped in siding. Those are going to be a color too, probably the same color that's going to match your facial board.
Okay.
You got me?
Yes. So now I just need to watch those newer videos and
Right,
add
because
backsplash.
then it's going to help you with the siding, because there's a certain point where the siding ends and then the foundation wall starts. So we have to show that
Okay.
the siding never extends down to grade like that. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Um,
Any
I
any other
also,
question?
yes. So I had it at a corner, like one right here, a corner
Mhm.
cabinet, but the measurements are on this one. I don't know if that's going to affect it. I
Let's
can't
see.
remove them.
Okay, let's see if we can highlight that component. Select it. I'm sorry. Select it. Okay. Okay. So now the whole thing.
Edit group.
Mhm. Okay. Now, right right click now and go to. Can you edit that component? I don't. It says make a component, but you need to be able to edit that component and to delete those dimensions out of there. See. Okay, can you, okay, can you delete that one? Yeah, see if you can delete that. No?
Yeah, so every time I try to delete,
Uh-huh.
it's still there.
Okay, so I think you're gonna have to edit that component and keep left clicking. Left click again. Okay,
Ooh, I can hide it. Wait, or I can erase it.
yeah, erase it. Yep, exactly right. That's what
Okay.
there we go.
Okay. Yeah, then I'm good.
Okay, all right, thank you. Kyle, could you share your, no, who's it next? Who's next? Okay, Kyle,
Yeah, okay.
could you share your screen with me, please?
Yep. Can you see that, sir?
I can.
Awesome. Let
Could
me
you
zoom
go
out,
zoom
zoom
in?
extents.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I finished the deck or the stairs and then the front porch last night,
Okay.
and the rest I'm putting in the kitchen hood right now.
Okay.
That's going in, and then I gotta fix up the interior and then the island, and then start
Okay.
the backsplash and everything.
Okay. Cool. Did you make the root system a group?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Could you hide it?
Hide. Oh, okay.
Just select it first. No. You didn't make it a group yet.
Oh,
Okay. Here's what you need to do. You need to hide everything except no, not there. No. Hold on. Here's what you
oh,
need to do. Hide everything except for okay. So right now, just go ahead and select the wall group and hide it, please.
all the wall groupings.
Select the wall group. So select one of the walls, please. One of the walls. Okay. So you haven't made any of it a group. Okay. Okay.
Can I take time to make it all a group and then come back to you?
Okay, here's what needs to happen. The walls needs to be a separate group and the roof needs to be a separate group, okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
all right. Jacob, could you share the screen with me, please?
How do you stop sharing screen?
Okay, Kyle, could you stop sharing?
Yeah, I'm trying to. I think I'm gonna leave the meeting, but I'm gonna join back. I can't seem to get my Zoom to pop up.
Oh, I got you.
So
Okay, Jacob, could you share your screen with me, please? Okay, good. Okay, could you orbit around to the front, please? The front porch. Okay, orbit down so I can see the steps. Okay. Could you orbit so I can see the side of the steps? I want to see something. Okay. Okay. All right. So now I see that you have ladders there, but that's not a typical application for that. Okay. Your steps are wood.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. Here's my suggestion to you is to get rid of the ladders at the side. Okay. And just make that a painted wood surface. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So I do that on both sides. Okay. Good. Okay, that looks better. All right. So now let's go to what is the surface? Okay. Let's look at the surface of your porch. What material is that? Is wood? Got
Yeah.
it. I see it. Okay. All right. See. Okay. I'm not going to. Do you have do you have an edge between the wood material of the porch and the foundation, the stone foundation?
No, but I was gonna do that.
Yeah. So just like you have that little nosing on the stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll put that on the
Oh, like I have it on the back. I didn't do it on the front.
Okay. Let's go around the back then. Okay.
That was you.
All right. Okay, that looks good. Of course, we need to add some. So when you get it developed to the stage, then we can make it better. Okay. At the corner of the deck, that should. Okay. Let's see how we're going to do this. We need to show. Okay, I see the wood surface. Okay, at the edge of the deck. Okay. Now what we need to do. We need to put a wood member across there that's going to actually be supporting the floor joists of the deck. So, okay, so now you have the thickness of the deck. So this come down another like 12 inches, and that's going to be it's called like a rim board or trim.
So like where the white is.
Yeah. You see. Okay, I see the thickness of the deck, right? So just below that thickness, I need a face that's 12 inches deep, not 4 inches deep or whatever you have it there. It needs to be 12 inches deep. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So just move that ladders and pull that surface down until its total depth is like 12 inches. Okay, so right now it's like 2 inches. So it's like, what is it? 2 inches. Okay, so all you gotta do is pull it down 10 more inches. And that's going to be a 2x12. We might make it less than that. Let's see what it looks like. I tell you what. Don't make it a 2x12. Make it a 2x10. So just come down 8 inches.
Okay.
Okay. And you're going to do that all around the edge of that deck, except for when you get to the stairs, of course. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now, good. So that's 8 inches.
Yeah.
No, that's 10 inches.
10 inches, yeah.
Okay, so good. See that's making it more realistic. All right, and that's going to be all around the deck there.
Okay. You want me to do that now or?
Yeah, no, well, okay, no. So let me look at the rest of your model. Okay, could you up it around? I like the size of it. I like the stone that you used there. Okay, wood. Okay, I think that's what you need to do. So just work on that and then share the screen with me again, and I'm gonna give you some further instructions. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Ty, can you share your screen with me, please? Hello? Listen, it's important that you share your screens with me today because if I can help you today, Wednesday's our last class. Okay, so I need to see your model. Okay.
Right now, I'm just adding all the doors and windows.
Okay, so you have a ways to go.
Yeah.
But are those videos helping you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All righty. Thank you, sir. Angel, how you making out?
Good. I'm trying to add the backsplash right now.
Okay, cool. All right. Okay. Um,
Should I put a stone or tile, or does it should look good?
oh, well, that's up to that's your choice. Do you like the way it looks?
Yeah, I do like the way it looks.
Okay, well then you are the designer. Now, zoom into your range center so I can see the hood.
Okay.
Now, I want you to take that backsplash, right?
Yep.
And you see the area behind the hood.
Yes.
I want that backsplash to continue up behind that hood, all the way up to the underside of the ceiling.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
So like I would put like
All you need to do is make faces. That's all you need to do. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make a mark from here all the way to the ceiling.
Correct.
Here and
You
then
got it.
All right, sir.
You got it. And then just add that backsplash.
All right, sounds good.
Okay. Okay, everyone, I just posted another video that's going to help you add the exterior wall finishes, okay? I know many of you have already done it, but I want you to watch that video anyway, okay? It'll help you, okay? Okay, pardon me. Okay, this is the video that I was just referring to. Okay. This video illustrates how to add the exterior finishes to the model. Okay, it's going to help you. This is important. Before adding the exterior finishes, please watch the video exterior wall finishes located in learning materials / weeks 15 up / weeks 11 through 15. Okay, that's what you need to do. Okay, so now I want to share my model with you. Okay, so I'm going to make mine concrete as well. Okay, but now here's what I'm going to do first. Let me see where I need to be. I think that my porch is inside the. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, okay, good. Now, so I'm going to get back inside the group here.
All right.
For editing.
Okay.
Okay. So now, because we want it to look as realistic as we can. I know we can't get it absolutely correct, but here's what I want to do. Okay. I'm going to add a surface here, right? And I'm going to make it 6 inches. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to use my measuring tool in one of these corners here. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to come down 6 inches.
Okay.
Okay, good. All right. And then I'm going to draw a line.
Okay, I understand what you're doing.
Okay. So okay, and then I'm going to draw a line from here all the way over to here. Okay. Good. And I'm going to draw a line from there to there. Okay, so now let me show you how it's going to make it look more realistic. Okay. So now I have that 6-inch line. Then I'm going to use my push pull. Okay. And I'm going to pull this out just 2 inches. Right? 2 inches there. I'm going to pull it out 2 inches from the front. Good. All the way around to the other side. Two inches here. Okay. All right. See now. So now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this top here and this edge concrete. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm coming here. So let's go ahead and just do that. Okay. Let's go ahead. Oops, not there. It's not where I want to be. Okay. I want to be pivot tool. Okay, so let's go down to materials, asphalt and concrete. Yeah, and I'm let's see, which one do I want? Okay, I don't think I want that one. Let's try this one. Okay, all right. So I'm going to paint that concrete. See that? Okay, and then I'm going to paint this concrete. Okay. So it's making it look more realistic from a construction point of view, all right? Because that's the way that they would do it. That would be that little overhang there, the little overhang, right?
Yep.
Okay, so then what I'm going to do, let's see, let me use my eyedropper here. Let's see if I can use my eyedropper. Can I get this surface here?
To paint the stairs, right?
Huh?
You're gonna paint
No.
the
So now, this is my foundation, right? See my foundation. Here's my side. Here's where my siding ends, and this is where my foundation starts. And I use like a concrete block there, right? See that? So what I want to do, I want to bring this forward. I want to make this the same thing. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that's
So
my
the only thing I
foundation.
the only thing that I need to do is bring it down 6 inches, and then pull
And
it.
do the 2-inch projection, right?
All right.
Okay, so you can go ahead and work on that, okay?
Okay. All right.
And then of course you want to erase. Oops. Okay. You want to erase some lines that you don't need here. I think it's going to be this line here.
Okay.
Okay. I got to find the right line. Okay, but we need to erase if we can. Okay. Okay. We need to erase that line, and we need to erase this line, because we don't need it anymore. Okay. Let's see what's going on with this. Anyway, then you're going to go back and clean up those lines, right? So that you don't have any lines down here. Is that cool?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So I'll let you go and work on that, and then I'll check back in with you. Okay. So I'm going to see what's going on with these lines here. Okay. So I'm going to erase this line here. This line here. This line here. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this line here, but I can erase it. Okay, but I'll figure that out in a few minutes. Okay. Okay, cool. So now let's go back to my paint. and my eyedropper. Let's see. And good. Okay, then that line kind of disappeared, so that's good. All right. So I'm gonna show you my drawing. Now this is if you want your porch deck to be concrete, right? Okay. And I don't think I can erase this line without erasing something else. Oh, I could, excellent. Okay, so I can erase that line there and erase this line right here. Okay, good. That looks pretty good. So now my this is where my selection. This is where my siding ends. This is where my foundation. And I chose usually the foundation. Okay, let's go back. Let's look at that. The foundation can be concrete, like, concrete. Okay. As we go back and look at materials, as we go back and look at materials. Okay, this is more like granite, Okay, but what I was looking for was, I guess here. Good. Yes, as we scroll down here, I made mine like concrete block here. Okay, so, or cinder block. Okay, so you have choices for the foundation, right? Cinder block, concrete block. I wouldn't choose that one. Okay, stone. You can. Okay, cool. All right. So anyway, at any rate, here we go. This is my foundation, right? So my siding ends here, and then the foundation for my porch, which is concrete, okay, is the same. So that's making it more realistic, and that overhang really adds depth to it, and it makes it look more realistic again. Okay, so I'm going to get out of this. Yeah. Now, what I want to do, I want to paint my steps. I guess I can make it concrete just like my deck is. My porch deck. Okay, I could do that. All right, so let's go back up here to materials. Actually, all I gotta do is go to the eyedropper here and select this color here. Eyedropper here. Select this color right here. Good, it's added there. So now I can come here and I can paint this surface, this surface, and this surface here, all right, to be all concrete. Cool. Okay. All right, so while I'm at it, I might as well go ahead and make my deck more realistic as well. Okay, my deck in the rear. Okay. All right, so make sure I'm recording. Good. All right, so I want my deck to be more realistic than what it is right now, and I want it to be wood, all right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go to my stair system because it's gonna be wood. I'm gonna go to my stair system and I'm gonna create my treads for my stairs. So I'm gonna go to the line tool here and I'm gonna come down here. And I'm gonna make it 1.5 inches. Okay, 1.5 inches. Good. Okay. Let's see. Did I get that right? Okay, from here. Okay. On axis, I'm going to come down 1.5 inches. After that. Okay. Then I'm going to come over here. Good. So that should have given me a surface. Okay. And I'm going to come over here, do the same thing. Okay. So now I should have 2 surfaces. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this one forward by 1 inch. Okay. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pull this forward, also by 1 inch. And that's giving it a more realistic presentation relative to the thickness of the tread and the riser location. Okay, so I'm gonna do it one more time, 2 more times actually. So come over here with line tool, coming down here, keeping it on axis, 1/2. Good. Line from here, where is it? Must be there. Okay, coming over here to here. Good. Still line tool, coming over here. Okay. Okay, I might as well do the last one. Come over here with the line. Okay. Keep it on axis. 1/2. Okay, I want to be right there. Okay, I think that'll do it. Okay. And now what I want to do, I want to give my deck the same kind of realistic approach. But let me go back in here and just pull these out again. So I have a separate surface here, excellent right there. I'm going to pull that out 1 inch. Okay, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to pull this out. Oops. Control C out of that. I want to pull this surface 1 inch. So you can see how it's making this, starting to make the stairs look more real. I don't have that same kind of nosing over here for these stairs because these are concrete stairs. And these are wood stairs. All right. So let's do some extents. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is come over here. Okay, here, keep it on axis, inch, also 1.5 inches, or 1/2. Good. So I should be able to draw a line. Actually, I can do it from here. Okay, coming all the way over here. Okay, so I should have a surface there. So what I can do now is pull this out. There it is. 1 inch. Okay, pull the deck out. 1 inch. Oops, let's pull that out. Okay, 1 inch. You see, my hip, so I got all my little overhangs in there. Okay, so let me save my drawing. Save it. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's looking more like a stair. Okay, I'm coming back here. I'm gonna do the same thing here with my deck. Come over here, line tool. Okay. I'm gonna start from right there. Bring it all the way over here. Zoom extents. All the way over here.
Hey, Mr. Williams,
Oh, hold on one second.
that's only if you have wood, right?
That's correct. Only if you have wood.
Okay.
And are you going to make your rear deck wood?
Hmm?
I'm working on the rear deck. Is yours going to be wood?
Yes.
Okay, so yep. So you're going to follow the same concept that I'm doing right now. Okay. Are you with me?
Yes, I am.
Okay, good. All right.
So I'm just bringing it down 1.5 inch and
Yeah, yep. Inch and a half, right? So just like I just did over here. Okay. Right? An inch and a half, out an inch, inch and a half, extend an inch. Okay. So it kind of looks like that, and that's the way it should look.
all right.
See that?
Yes, sir.
Cool. All right. So now I'm still working on my deck. Over here, I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Okay, I'm gonna come over here. Okay, draw a line here. Okay. Yeah, I should have a surface there. Skip out of this. I can come over here, and I can zoom in here, and I can pull this out. Oops, wrong one. Let's get a little closer. I can pull this out this way, an inch. Okay, how's that looking? Some extents. Cool. All right. So I need to come over here, pull this out an inch. But it doesn't seem like I don't have two surfaces there. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so I don't have two surfaces. So let's erase, see if I can erase this line right here. But let's see what's going on here. Okay, make sure. Okay, line tool. I'm gonna start right here. Okay, come down an inch and a half. Okay, that's what that line is. Okay, so now let's zoom out again. Let's come back to this edge here. Okay, I think I have a surface now. Okay, let's see. Yes, I do. So now I can just pull this out an inch. Good. So now this is showing, you know, the thickness of the wood deck planking. Okay. All right. So let's just finish up with this. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do now, okay, I'm going to show the structure that's actually supporting this deck, because this deck is not going to come all the way down to the to grade. So I'm going to come here. Okay, and I'm going to use a 2x10 piece of lumber. I'm just going to start right there. Okay, and I'm going to measure down 10 inches, which is the actual size, well, not, which is the nominal size of it. Okay, 10 inches. Yeah. All right. And then let's see what I'm going to, then I'm going to draw a line. Okay, I'm going to draw a line from here. I'm just going to keep it on axis, and I'm just going to draw it through, just like that. Yeah. All right. Let's see now, what am I going to do? See how I want to do this. Okay. Initially, I'm going to draw a line from. I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Okay. And I'm going to see if I can offset that line. Select first. Okay, and let's choose offset. Okay, that's not what I want to do. Okay, all right, we'll come back to that one. We'll come back to that one. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now, though, I'm going to draw a line from here, okay, down on axis, then like that. And just let it go all the way through to make sure it's on axis. Okay, good. And what I'm going to do, I should be able to delete this line right here. Good. And now it's just showing my 2x10. Let me save my drawing. Okay, so now I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to draw a line. So I draw it all the way through. Good. Okay, like that. Keep it on axis. And okay, good. So I should be able now to erase this line here. And this line here. Okay, and I should be able to come over here and erase this line here. Okay, and I need to draw a line. And I believe I can come from here. Let's see if I get a surface here. Let's see what's going to happen. Nope. Okay. So let's draw a line from here to here. Nope, I don't still have a surface because there's something going on. Let's see. I don't think I have a surface though. Nope. Okay, let's see what's going on with this corner. Let's see if I can just draw a line down from here. Inches. Okay, 10 inches. Now let's see if I can connect these two lines and get a surface. Yep, got a surface now. So I should be able to delete this line right here. Okay. All right, so now my deck is like it's floating in the air, okay? So, but it's not going to be doing that because what I'm going to do here, I'm going to orbit to the bottom. I'm going to orbit to the bottom. And of course, I know I would have some thickness there, but I'm not going to get involved with all of that right now. So I'm going to orbit to the bottom, and I'm going to use my rectangle tool. Right, and I'm starting this corner right here. Okay, and I want to make a post that's going to be 6 inches, comma 6 inches. Good. See that? Okay. All right. So now I'm going to extend that post down. Let me draw a line for reference. I'm draw a line from here to here. Okay. Oops, I just want to draw a line, not a rectangle. Okay. I want to draw a line from which is my grade line. Okay, I want to see what that distance is. What is that distance? Okay. Okay, I'm going to put it down to that point right there. All right. Cool. So that's my post. That's kind of supporting my structure. So now I'm going to come back and I'm just going to add these lines to kind of make it more realistic. Right. So then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do the same thing. Okay. Start here. I'm going to create a post here. That's going to be 6 inches, comma 6 inches. Okay, let's try that again. I want to be right here. Angle tool. 6 inches, comma 6 inches. All right. Wrong side. So I'm just going to use the move tool, and I'm going to select this corner here. Oops. So I'll just do it this way. I'll select this line here. And I'm just going to move it from here. All right. Let me pause a second. And okay, I got that corrected. So I want to pull this post down, the 6x6 post. I want to put it down. Oops. Not quite right yet. Okay, I was having such a difficult time just getting this post in here. So what I decided to do was do it by line. So I orbit it to the bottom because I want to create a post right here. Okay. So 6 inches, I'll do it this way. Okay. And on axis, 6 inches. On axis, 6 inches. Okay. All right. Good. So now I have a surface there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull that post down. To there. All right. All right. So now when I look at it, that's pretty cool. All right. I think just what I'm going to do now, just to put another post right in the center here. Okay. I probably need 2 more posts, right? But let's see. Well, let's see what this distance is. What is the distance from here to, that was 15 feet. Okay. Okay. So let's see, do I want to go halfway? Let's see if I do a line. Well, I'm not going to make it so difficult. I'm going to add another post to it, just right here, another 6x6 post. So I'm going to use my measuring tool and come over here. Yeah, half of 15 feet is 7.7 feet, 6 inches. Okay, good. So I'm going to just, what I did before, at the center here, come over here. On axis. Let's go 3 inches. Nope, it's not what I want to do. Line tool. 3 inches. All right. Inches. 3 inches. Okay. So then I'm just going to erase some lines that I don't need, which is like this one, and this one, and this one. And then I'm just going to pull this down, surface down to match. Yep. Okay. All right. So now at least I have a sort of a realistic look at what's happening with this deck being supported by these deck joists or that you can't see, right? And being supported by these posts. Okay. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to add a post here. Let's see if I can make it easier for myself this time without going through all those gyrations. Okay, so that's on axis. Okay. So I'm just going to use a line tool. Okay, I'm come over here. Well, let's do a reference. I had a point from here on axis. Let's go 6 inches. Let's draw a line. Okay, I'm gonna erase these lines that I don't need. Save my drawing here. Okay, and then I'm gonna push this back. 6 inches. Oh, that was a little bit easier than what I did before, wasn't it? Yep. Okay, so let's come over here. Let's do the same thing here. Just give me a line here on axis. Okay, I'll have to do that. Okay, let's come over here. Well, let's. Okay, let's see if we can come over here. Just do it this way. I'll do it with lines. Okay, right here. Nope, I need to be right there, I think. Okay, on axis 6 inches. On axis 6. Nope, on axis. Okay, 6 inches. Okay, bring it back in on axis. Good, got a surface. Okay. What I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this down now. Oh, no, pull this down. Oh, I got it. You just keep pulling it down to the surface. Cool. All right, and then I'm going to add a line here just to make it more realistic. Line. Okay, and let me pause this for 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to add, I probably need another post in here, but I'm not gonna worry about it, okay? But you get the idea. Okay, that the floor structure for this deck is being supported by these posts here. All right, so here's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to, I know the distance between here and here is 13'6", so half of that's going to be 6'9". So I'm going to put another post right in here, okay? So use my measuring tool, come over here. (6'9" enter that, okay, good. I have my okay, so what I'm going to do to make my life easier, the line tool, okay, half of 3, nope, I'm going to use my measuring tool, okay. So here's my guide point here, so I'm going to go over here, on axis, 3 inches, half of 3, come over here, 3 inches, good, all right. Then I'm just going to draw a line, on axis. Okay. I'm just going to orbit around this side here, and I'm just going to pull it back 6 inches. Okay, 6 inches, 6 by, good. All right. Cool. Okay, let me save. Okay, so now let's come over here, okay? I'm going to erase it right now. So what I did initially, let me get rid of this line here. Okay, I orbit it to the other side, and I drew a line from here, here. Okay, cool. Now, I'm going to copy that line from this line here from here to here. Okay, so let's select it. Okay, and let's go to move, control, holding down that key. I want to make sure I get the right line. Okay, I want to copy it from here to here. Good. All right. So then I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm going to extend it. Draw a line from here. Okay, on axis, extend it. Okay, good. So now I should be able to delete this line that I don't need. Good. All right. Good. All right. So what I've shown here, I've shown this stringer here. Okay. This is the stringer supporting the stairs. Okay. All right, so now I can erase these lines here I don't need. Okay, so now that's making it look more and more realistic. Okay. Yeah. I'm not worried about the underside of it. But it looks like, now it looks like a stair system, okay? So let's come around here. Let's do the same thing I did before with the other stairs. I want to create the treads. Okay, come over here. On axis, 1 1/2. Good. Line 2, I guess I was already in a line 2. Okay. I want to come over here. It should be there. Here, let's go to there. Let's create this one over here, from here to here. Oops. Let's create this one from here to here. Okay. Let's come over here, do the same thing. Let's might as well just use this one here. Come down, 1 1/2. Okay. From there to here. And from there to and from here to here, and from here to here, and from here to here. Okay. One more to do. Come down here. And 1 1/2. Okay, so now I have all my surfaces. Might as well start right here and pull this one out. One inch. Okay, pull this one out. 1 inch from the side. Does that look? It's good. While I'm here, pull this one out. 1 inch. Pull this one out. 1 inch. Okay, pull the front out. Oops. Wrong one. 1 inch. Pull this one out. 1 inch. Inch. 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch. Okay. That should be how all the treads pulled out. And by the way, that 1 inch that I keep pulling out, that's called a nosing. Okay. And usually that projection is about an inch, okay? It's called a nosing. This is the tread, and that projection is called a nosing. Nosing. Okay, so let me just save my drawing. Cool. All righty. So it's looking like it could be a real deck system, a wood deck system. Okay, so let's come over here and do what I did before. Okay. Let's come over here and draw a line. From here to there. Okay, and then I'm going to copy that line. I'm going to copy that line, select it. Then I'm going to copy that line from here to there. Good. And then I'm going to extend that line on axis. To there. Good. So I should be able to now to erase this line. Good. And erase this line. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side here. Line tool. I'm going to draw a line from inside right there, inside right there. Good. And I'm going to select this line. Select the line. Okay. Then I'm going to copy that line. From here to here. Okay. Then I'm going to extend this line on axis from here to here. And I should be able to erase what I don't need anymore, which is this line here and this line here. Okay. And I can leave this line. Cool. I'll just leave that. I'm not worried about that. I'll just erase this line, this line, this line. I know that was a process, but at least our deck is looking more like a wood deck. Okay. Okay. So it's looking more, again, realistic. Okay. So let me select this. So now let me do some painting. See what color do I want to paint it now. Okay, let's go to materials. Let's go to wood. Okay, I think I want it to be this dark color here. Okay, I don't want to look like wood flooring, so I do not want to choose this. Whoops, where am I? I do not want to choose that because that looks like flooring. Okay, for internal use, don't want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to choose this wood. Right here, wood. I like the darker one. Okay, so I'm going to paint it here. Good, I like that. It's the same thing as my floors on the inside. Okay, and I'm going to paint this surface and this surface here. Then I'm going to paint all these surfaces here. This one and this one. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Paint the surface right here. Here, this one, this one. Okay. Come around the side, make sure this is painted. And this side, and I'll orbit around. Let's move this out of the way. I'll orbit around here. Okay. Paint this surface. Paint this surface. This surface. This one. Zoom in. This one. This one. Orbit around. This one. And then this is zoom in tight here, so we can just go ahead and do it. Okay, paint this surface, this surface, this surface, this surface, this surface, this surface, this surface. How if I erase this line here, I can see if I can erase this line right there. Good. All right. Then we'll go back to painting. Okay. A little tedious here, right? Okay, let's zoom in a little tighter. Okay. Probably if I erase this line right here, that would help me if I erase this line right here. And then I painted this, paint the whole thing. There we go. Same thing here. I'm going to erase this line right here. And I can paint the whole thing. Oops. Let's erase this line right here. And I'm going to paint. Paint, 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 paint. Let's go to the bottom. I don't care. Back side. Don't have to do the bottom because you'll never see the bottom. All right. But since I did one, I'll just do them all. Okay, come over here. Let's paint this and paint this. Okay, come over here. See, do I have some lines here that I can get rid of? Well, let me erase this line right here. Okay, so now I go back to this and this and this, this and this and this, and this and this. Might as well paint that. Okay, everything painted looks good. Let's paint this and this and this and this. Might as well. I painted the others. Okay, good. So I'm just gonna let the line stay there in this case. Paint this, 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 this. That post is too big. Let's see what's going on with that post. So let's save my drawing. I've done all that work like that. So I'm going to definitely save my drawing. Okay, so now I want to do a measuring tool, see what's going on with this post. So from here to here, it's like 9 inches. I'm just going to push it back 3 inches. That's much too big. Good. And now go back to painting. That's good. All right. Okay, so now with that, we have the deck looking like a deck, and it's all painted. Okay. We have our front porch, which is concrete. I have a concrete surface here, concrete stairs. Okay. Concrete block foundation all the way around. Okay. All righty. Let's close out of this. Okay, let's close out of this. Okay. Stop sharing here. And we can go ahead and end the session, okay?